steep and never ending. Good morning. 6 in the morning. Probably been up since 4 or something. It's not the most comfortable sometimes sleeping in the tent, but now I'm ready to go. We're going to be doing King's Peak today. Just over 2,000 meters. Supposed to be steep and rugged terrain. That's what the sign says. Let's get to the top and see what the view is like. It's definitely steep and rugged. I'm about an hour in and I'm this high, however high that is. Well, there's waterfalls, 3K in it says, so I'm just a little under halfway. This is refreshing. $3K from the peak. Keep going. We're almost at the snow line. Well, somehow I lost the trail, but thanks to Maps Me, I can just trudge through the bush. Huh. And here we are. Holy cow, this is steep. Steep and never ending. And slippery, so you keep backsliding. That's the worst. Still 1 kilometer to go. In 4 hours. This is a steep, rugged hike. And I'm gonna make my way up there. Almost done. There it is. Well, it's 11 o'clock. Took me 5 hours to get to King's Peak. Not gonna lie, that was probably one of the most grueling hikes I've done. It was really steep and rugged. Whew. Well, time to leave King's Peak. And I'm back. Kings Peak Trail gets a 2 thumbs up. Alright, so if you're looking for a grueling uphill climb, that's definitely the one. Well, I just had myself a nice little dip in the river, cool off, and now it's time to hit the road again. Well, I think I've found myself a pretty awesome place to stay, and a friend who has the same bike as me. It's a bit windy, which is perfect, keeps the bugs away. But right by the lake, how can you beat it?